Let's start our walk. We'll see. Say hello to a little stranger girl here. We're gonna follow her and see that will lead leading this to the hotel. People are lining up to get on the boat. It's a party town. Nobody really swim here much. That's where our hotel. And then turn this way. This is a different hotel. There's a wall right there. Separated. Our hotel is this way. Now we're going to explore. This is activity center. I do like to know the name of this hotel. Let's walk this way. Hi, little girl. What's your name? This way.
That comfy girl.
Ooh, that's very dangerous, girl. This hotel did not clean up, girl. I should have bring my selfie stick, girl. Oh, that's where the dolphin sleeping thing, swimming thing that I told you about, which I'm not happy about.
See this one they get way more.
Yeah. Read the name of that hotel. This is our day number 3. I had 2 drinks, so I can't really count. I don't understand what's happening. The boat coming so close to you. This is morning walk. Punta Cana, Bavaro Beach, April the 3rd.
Yes.
Today's Wednesday or Thursday?
Wednesday.
Oh, today's Wednesday. Sometime you lost sense of time. Because, oh, look, there's lots of seats. This hotel have nobody. Hola. No, not yet. Not yet. She doesn't like boat. Yeah, she's the one.
I'm too scared.
Look at the hotel. There's nobody here. I would love to stay with nobody there. And lots of seats.
Nobody there for a
gonna-
reason.
I'm gonna zoom in. Girl, let's go into the water. Yeah, come here.
Look, the water's so much more clean.
Yeah, yes. Over there is even better.
I don't think it's Mother Nature, it's the hotel.
It's a hotel.
Because of all the boats, I think.
The boat destroyed the seaweed
Yeah.
habitat. I like when there's nobody here. Look. I need-
Nobody here for a reason.
Oh, maybe it's cheaper.
Or less.
But best
star.
hotel. I'm gonna go read.
Can you take pics of me? On my
On my phone.
no, my phone. I don't like your camera.